Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up a personal fitness challenge in Airtable. Now let's get started. First up, you'll need to create a new base in Airtable. This is your starting point, the foundation for your fitness challenge. Simply click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This helps us because it gives us a clean slate to work with. Now that we've done that, let's name the base as Personal Fitness Challenge. This will help you locate your challenge easily, especially if you have multiple bases. The reason we do this is to keep your Airtable organized and focused. Next up, we're going to create some tables. Each table will represent a different aspect of your fitness challenge. For instance, you might have a table for exercise, one for nutrition, and another for progress. To do this, click on the plus symbol next to the base name. We do this because it helps to segregate the different aspects of your fitness challenge for easy tracking and updating. Once we've created the tables, it's time to add some fields. Fields are like columns in a spreadsheet. Each field will store a specific kind of information about your fitness challenge. For instance, in your exercise table, you might have fields for date, type of exercise, and duration. To add a field, click on the plus symbol at the right end of the table header. This is critical because it helps us track detailed information about each aspect of our fitness challenge. Next, let's add some records. Records are like rows in a spreadsheet. Each record will represent a specific instance of your fitness challenge. For example, in your exercise table, a record could be 30 minutes of running on January 1st. To add a record, simply click on the plus symbol at the bottom of your table. This helps us because it allows us to log our daily activities and track our progress over time. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is capturing all this data and allowing you to view it in different ways. You can filter and sort your records, view them in a calendar or a Kanban board, and even create charts to visualize your progress. Let me explain why this matters. This flexibility and visualization make Airtable a powerful tool for tracking your personal fitness challenge and seeing your progress at a glance. And there you have it. You've just set up a personal fitness challenge in Airtable. Remember, the key here is consistency. Keep logging your activities, track your progress, and before long, you'll start seeing results. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.